My name is Nick and I'm currently working in the operations department at Ecom Logistics. At Ecom Logistics, we're a firm that operates in the realm of third-party logistics and we specialize in e-commerce solutions. A challenge we faced when dealing with such solutions was that we were inaccurately measuring and weighing our packages. That's when we came across vMeasure. vMeasure made it seamless to integrate and offer technical support 24/7. Thanks to vMeasure, we've been able to cut down on financial costs, we've been able to make our clients happy, and we've been able to succeed without any financial errors. vMeasure support has been exemplary the whole time, and they've been able to offer us technical support as well as seamless integration throughout the process. I'd like to recommend vMeasure to any other business out there that's looking for accurate scaling and weighing options.